Okay, got the chicken, got the lettuce, we got all that. Let's see how this tastes, okay? What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Tony, and I'm back with another video. I hope everybody had a great day today. I am making some, what was it? I keep forgetting what it's called. Crispy chicken salad, okay? Hit that like button for your boy before we get started. It helps out so much. And thanks for watching. And to all my throwback subscribers, I appreciate y'all so much, man. Y'all are awesome. And to my new subscribers, thank you for joining the family. Y'all are awesome too, okay? Let me show you what I'm cooking. Alright. I got the chicken breast here, okay? Now what I'm gonna do, well, I'm not gonna do all that right now, okay? And this is the seasoning that I'll be using. If you want to try this recipe, this is what you can use, or you can use whatever you want to use, okay? Alright, let's get to cooking. I washed and dried the chicken. Okay, we got the lefties here, and we're gonna use the egg as the, what do they say? How would they say? The wash, the coating? Yeah, egg wash. I'm gonna use the eggs for the egg wash, then dip it in the thing, and then we're gonna fry that bad boy in the pan. Okay, y'all following me? Let's get it done. Look at this. I had to cut the chicken in half because these chicken breasts were so thick. So I cut them in half. You don't have to do that, but I cut them in half. So that way when I cook them, it won't take as long, okay? All right, I'm back. I had to wash my hands. You don't want no contamination or nothing, no damn salmonella, whatever they call it. But we're gonna add the seasoning to the egg white wash, whatever it's called, okay? Mix that up. And we good to go. Let's get it done, guys. Let's get it done. All right, we got the egg wash here. We're gonna put that in the egg wash. Move my arm so y'all can see. And then we're gonna move it over here to this. Then we're gonna cover this really good. Get that on there good. I'm making a mess as usual. I'm always making a mess myself. I hate a dirty kitchen when I'm cooking. Who else hates that? I know I do. All right, let me stop talking and get to cooking. All right, shake off that. And we gonna, oh shoot, oh, add the olive oil. Almost forgot talking to y'all. All right, we're gonna add the olive oil. Lay that bad boy down. See, that was supposed to sizzle. I said I wanted to sizzle when I put it in the pan, and it's sizzling a little bit.
No! No!
Oh. All right, we're gonna go ahead and go to the next one. Coat that. Throw it on there. Right, pat that on there. I am making a mess, y'all. I am making a big mess. Alright, I cleaned up. As y'all can see, everything is clean. These been cooking for about 5 minutes, so we can go ahead and flip them. And that's what it looks like. And we're gonna cook these on this side for 5 minutes or until done, okay? This one's done. I'm gonna take this one out. Put that to the side. And the internal temperature has to be, what was it? 165. If you're not sure if your chicken is done or not. But I've been cooking for a while, so I can go by eyeball. So what I've been doing is I've just been flipping them every 5 minutes until I'm sure they're done, okay? All right, these are finally done. As you can see, we're gonna go ahead and take these bad boys out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut these up. Grab my fork, and we're gonna cut these up. Roll this up. chicken smells so good.
Juicy.
Yeah, look at that juice. I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all got to try this, man. I'm telling you, it's gonna be the bomb. All right, because you never did this going in a salad. So, you just cut that. I mean, you can cut them either any size you want, but I'm just gonna cut mine just a little bit smaller. All right, you can use any kind of salad you want. You know, they got American blend, they got mixed blend. You know, they got all kinds of salad. But I'm just gonna use this, okay? And next, I know I don't. Some people make their food look all nice and good. My stuff be all sloppy. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and add the chicken that we cut up. There we go. Then we're gonna add some cheese, some Parmesan cheese.
Just a sprinkle.
Just a sprinkle. Next, we got, I love ranch dressing. I love it. All right, we can add the ranch dressing. Voila! Chicken salad.
Yeah, mix it up however you want. God, please don't pay any attention to his mess. But that's, yeah.
Yeah, that
good
looks
for you and cheap and quick.
I hope y'all can see me. Because I'm sitting down eating right now, and I forgot all about sharing a bite with y'all. So, I'm going to share a bite with y'all. I always forget to do this. Here go my food. I'm already mixing it up and everything. I'm just going to get a bite for y'all. Alright, we got the chicken on there. Oh. Okay, got the chicken, got the lettuce, we got all that. Let's see how this tastes, okay?
That's your salad.
That's good. Y'all definitely gotta give this a try, man. This is banging. I'm gonna go ahead and demolish this real quick. I'll see y'all later. Peace.
Perfect.